If you're trying to get the most out of GoTo Resolve for remote support, you're in the right place. While it's a solid tool, there are things you need to know to ensure you're using it to its full potential. Stay tuned till the end, because I'm not only going to show you how to make the most of GoTo Resolve, but also share an alternative that could actually help you achieve your remote support goals even better. Let's start with the basics. GoTo Resolve offers a solid platform for remote troubleshooting and support, but its interface can be overwhelming if you don't dive into the right features first. To get started, make sure you're using their remote desktop access functionality efficiently. The core of any remote support tool is how smoothly you can access and control a client system. GoTo Resolve offers quick access with the option to add custom branding and support features. But what really stands out is its session recording and chat features, which you can use to follow up or resolve issues post-session. This allows you to create more consistent support, but only if you set these up properly right out of the gate. Next thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's integrations. While it integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, it's a bit hit or miss depending on what you're trying to sync it with. For example, integrating ticketing systems is possible, but it's not as seamless as with some competitors. This might be a deal breaker if you're running a bigger support operation that needs to tie remote support with ticket workflows. You'll want to check if your ticketing system works efficiently with GoTo Resolve or if it's worth investing time into setting up complex workflows. The third thing you need to know is about security. Remote support involves sensitive data, and GoTo Resolve offers end-to-end encryption, which is great. However, there are some limitations when compared to competitors in terms of multi-factor authentication. If you're serious about security, I recommend testing this feature and making sure it meets your standards, as it could be a point of weakness depending on the nature of your business. The fourth thing is the customer support you get from GoTo Resolve itself. While they offer 24/7 help, responses can be a little slower than you might expect for such a well-established company. This can be frustrating when you're in the middle of a high-stakes support session. Many users report getting quicker resolutions from alternatives that might not have the same brand recognition but offer faster, more personalized support. Lastly, it's important to mention performance. GoTo Resolve is good, but there are occasional slowdowns when dealing with larger file transfers or complex systems. While it's stable for most tasks, if you're managing high-volume support requests, you might notice some delays. It's not a deal breaker for everyone, but it's something to be aware of, especially when speed is key in remote support. Now I know what you're really waiting for, the alternatives. GoTo Resolve is great, but there are tools out there that offer stronger ticketing integrations, faster response times, and more powerful security features, such as competitor name. If you're serious about upgrading your remote support game, you may want to explore these options. The good news is, we've partnered with Competitor Name to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial. And as a bonus, you'll also get some incredible benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Just click the link below to get the best trial and experience the power of remote support like never before. And remember, you'll get the best of both worlds, GoTo Resolve and the alternative I've mentioned, to make an informed decision based on your unique needs.